and guide me from
Yeah.
the enemies where want to take my life. Yeah, no, I walk through the valley of death tonight. So everything alright. Please judge and guide and protect we. We are show them love and them hate we.
Yeah. So me I say yo, straight. I the dan dan and the one dan dan. That's what me I say. And me I say yo. Me don't know. I don't know what make some people or some artists are going like all them are going right now, you see me. But basically what me I say is this, that vybz Kartel do a whole heap dance hall, you see me I say. Yeah. In boss Gaza Slim, in boss Popcorn, in boss Javinci, in boss the artists that were getting incarcerated with him, Chance Down, and a lot more artists, you see me. So when them go say Kartel do nothing for dance or drop them artists again, that's what me I say. Yeah, on one Kartel if feel small and like him no exist. And some I wanna come up with a Batman system and I deal with some little fish thing. Try to make Kartel look small because through you might try to put the youth them in a way to tell them certain things with them what certain things are right and them not to do that to get the money them to work hard like how him work hard, that's what I say. Straight. So basically them nowadays artists yeah, all that who where did I laugh with the man and a par with the man and I go on like them in the man, see they are them same one. Come now and fight against the man. You see me, and I track all kind of things like them want the system for all the man look longer in there. You see what me I say? Yeah. But big up vybz Kartel and if God make him free, he might go free if him free. You see what me I say? None of these people attack all kind of sitting. You see me, and when them talk them way now, them make the man stay a little longer behind bars. You see me? We have to just watch and see what go on. You see what me I say? Yeah. We have to just watch and see what go on. We can't just get up a chat so and I run off from out so. You see what me I say? And buju bantan sitting. People, come on. You see how when I post us on sitting? But if you like take a school fee and buy buju bantan ticket, remember you have a ticket the way the poorer class people can afford. You see me? It's not like say one ticket of XYZ where you can't manage. You see me? So we respect buju bantan and big up buju bantan and may the good Lord go with him like everybody else. You see me? I say yeah. Because buju a icon, buju a legend. You see me? Just like vybz Kartel is the only thing that true. vybz Kartel get incarcerated. But people, come on. We don't support buju man. There is ticket that poor people can afford. That's what I say. So no need to banter the thing and no problem I bring up school fee and this and I bring up all kind of somehow know I chat about school fee and all them shit there. Somehow know get money, the man no pick me and no mind it. You see me? Somehow know I use no pick me to get money from people out of the road. Same time, we know a sanction against the same people and want to hustle after. That's what I say, straight. So basically buju bantan I keep a show. We don't see the man for how long. So basically if the show go on, when the show go on and the man ticket has said, wow, why not bring up something foolish about if you like take a school fee and buy this and no pound will get money for mine pick me as when I say. I want to take it and go do here, I want to take it and go buy bleaching cream, I want to pick me a get few and I take it from other people where I work hard every day. So basically when me I say I don't love buju bantan make him do him thing. That's what I say. Yeah. You know what I go on like you know want to come try it. Flap out the man thing. I don't can't flap it neither because jobless buju and him family. You see me I say straight. Yeah. Why we have to just be why somehow we have to just be corrupt and talk think negative against other people. Why we can't think positive? Jesus Christ man, I tell you. You see? The Bible say by the fruit you shall know them and We all see who real from who not real. And you will all know who fake from who not fake. You see me I say. And you will all see who straight from who not straight. Because some people hide behind themselves or behind them dirtiness. Some people hide behind some things that show them pretty, we say them good. So Buju Banton, sure go on. Yeah man, make the man thing go on, man. We're happy for that. Nobody with no negativity Rasta. And the artists then we are sanctioned against vybz kartel. Remember me tell you now. When you go and shit 50 times and on up and step him free. When God say him for free and him free, when you go shit 50 times and on up pants. Yeah. These are young artists, you see me? And me no fight against no man. You see me? Yeah, me no fight against no one. Me no mix up in no badness and nothing. Me keep on telling on this when me and make a video. You see me? Yes, me no diss people, me no violate people. So me I say, me I go talk with me know say, nah, I go put me in no trouble, you see me? Straight. Even though you have some people sanction against people and the people them you walk and take people picture. You know, I walk like them I do some informal work. I put up them phone up in the ear right in the on them phone and a video and I take a picture. You know, be careful on yourself, we know how know. You see me? Or some girl we hide behind them man and I take picture and video. I know who them I send it to, but remember me tell you no. See people like you know when they learn hold on, them to crucify you because you know support what is bad. And yet still not beg good people to feed what is bad. Now, hey, if we feed what is bad, God will take our blessing from we. You see me? Yeah, make a man do what he want to do until him time come and hold him. You see me? Because we're not going to farm for nobody. And we're not going to steal out nobody. Because we're not doing farmer work. The police will do their work. You see what I say? So, all of who we are doing badness and then this and then that. Do nothing till the time come. We just love innocent people and stop. Make some look a fool and mix up with innocent people and tell them about innocent people. I tell this and I do that. Sometimes the people don't want to pray and pray. Uno. Not busy with uno. That's what I say. So all that uno we are carrying news to people you hurt people. Remember no one soul I got jam on no blood clot. Remember me tell them that. Excuse no language man. But that's how go on. You see me? Me always have guided me, you know. So all of we are set trap for me, I catch uno. Remember that. And big up on your damn self, man. And big up on your damn self. Yeah. Why we can't make peace reign? John no star. Why we have to be hypocritical? We talk in front of one another and behind the back we are chop up on one another. No brother, no love, no jealousy. Be a hypocritical thing and hatred. Why we have to be a bad mind and tear down one another so. I don't know what make up here go on so. I not that heart though, you know. Even though people not trust people, but I not that heart, I'm a good youth. I never say that because me and them clean, and my heart clean, and my mind clean, and my soul clean. You see me, I say, I don't hate nobody. You see me? Everybody sit down and chat people at a time, yes. Yes, but some go back and chat things that you know say. Straight. So, basically, just go and enjoy on the day, and we are going to pray for Buju Banton. So me I say, yeah man. And vybz kartel, we are going to pray for them. So all of the heathen them want kartel to stay in a prison. You see me? When God free him up, what I gonna do? Just go and pray for Buju Banton, man. And big up. Just go and pray for Buju Banton and vybz kartel. All over Buju free. But big up on yourself, cartel. Big up yourself. Big up the Gaza. Big up Buju Banton. You see what I say? Big up Jamaica. Yeah. Big up the real people them out there. You see what I say? Burn the fake one them. Straight. Yeah, man.
The art of the battle. He'll tell you what the seeds of the victory.